In this video, we will learn about area charts. Area charts are very similar to line charts. The only thing is the area below the line has been colored. You can look at this example that I have shown here. In this data, the first column is giving us the shirt sales in 4 quarters. This right graph is the line chart of these 4 values. The left chart is the area graph. You can see that area chart is same as line chart, only thing is that the area below this line is colored in this chart. Now if I want to have multiple data series in an area chart, so just like line chart will have multiple lines and area below all those lines will be colored and it will be difficult to interpret. Let us see how to do that. I'll add a legend here. Name is pants and the series is these 4 values, data series values. Another one, others is the name, and these 4 are the values. We can edit the horizontal axis also. Okay. So you can see now we have 3 series and this table is missing the legend box, so I am first of all not able to identify which color is representing which series. Let's add a legend box for this. So you can see we have 3 series in this single chart, and most of the blue series, which is representing the shirt sales in the 4 quarters, we are not able to see it because it is hidden behind the other 2 series. If you want to look at the values of shirt series, we need to increase the transparency of the pant series and the other series. You know how to do it. If you select any particular data series and go to format data series, in the solid fill you can add transparency by increasing it here. You can see that now you can look at the shirts data series. Now let us increase the transparency of others data series. And also change its color so that it does not match with pants. So now you can see the 3 data series, and you can also understand why it is very difficult to use this area graph since the data series are overlapping with each other. One solution to this is using the stacked area chart. So if you change the area chart type, the second option is the stacked area chart. You can see in this example here. So this is basically putting the data series values one over another. So in quarter 1, the shirt sales was nearly around 470. The next 1200 is put from this 470 value and it reaches up to nearly 1600. The third value, which is for others, which is 564, is stacked on top of it. So now you can easily see all the 3 values, and you can also see the contribution of each of the series to the total. And just like bar charts and line charts, the third option in this graph also is a 100% stacked area chart, in which the total will be set to 100% and the contribution of each individual product will be shown as a percentage of total. The other options in area chart is a 3D area, 3D stacked area and 3D 100% area. Let us select a 3D area chart. You can see that each of the data series is now a 3D wall. Altitude of this wall is the line which is representing the value at each data point. You can see again this third data series is more or less hidden. So although this chart may look visually appealing to a lot of people, since data is often obscured behind the other data series, this chart type is not recommended for business use most of the times.